welcome back to Castle Electronics. You haven't seen anything from me for about 3 or 4 months because I had to move my workshop. Maybe you saw the video that I have to go out from my old beloved place, but now I'm in here. This here is a big hall, split it in half. This half here is rent from other guys. These are the place from my new friends, and this place here is mine. So let's make a short walkthrough. Here are my 2 restoration projects. Maybe they are finished somewhere in 10 years or don't know. Here is my new lift. My old lift was worn out and squeaky, so I decided to buy a new one. Buy is the wrong word. I almost got it for free because it was faulty, and I repaired it. Let me show you. This lift came from another garage, and they said, by the way, this is a hydraulic lift. The pump makes loud noises and the lift doesn't move anymore. So I took apart the pump inside here, and the only thing was bad was this oil filter. It was totally clogged up. Nothing more. So now I have a good fresh lift. From 2010 it was made. It's 10 years. My old lift was 30 years old, so I hope this thing is reliable and I have no problems. Here comes my 4-port lift. It's not installed because this floor here kind of sucks. It's only asphalt and no lift can be installed on asphalt. For this lift too, I had to make a concrete plate to install my lift. And here I made 4 small concrete plates to install my 4-port lift, which is over here. Still disassembled, or I mean not installed. Here is my AC service machine and tires. My screws, they are all in yellow zinc because of my restoration project. They were all screws made of yellow zinc. Stuff, gearbox, filler apparatus, brake bleeder, and many tools. Old screws. Inside this drawer here I have my paints because but I removed or put in another place because it's too cold here in the winter time and paint goes bad. Another part from my 4-port lift. Here my tool hangers. My big parts store, basically only with Volvo parts or for the parts that from my own cars. This hall here is very high, about 7 meters, and I had to cut my store here at the old place that I can install it, because the old room was only 3.5 meters high. Now I can install a bigger one, but yeah, Now I have this. Let's see what I do in the future. My pressure washer, oil catcher, engine crane, another pressure washer, and it's not finished yet, but almost. But again, to this floor, it really sucks. I cannot do a engine pressure washing here because where to go with the water? I have no oil separator. That's a big problem for me. In the old room I had an oil separator. Let's go in here. This is the remote for the inside light. This is a small room that can easily be heated up in winter time. It's very well isolated, so in about 1 hour it's 20 degrees more than outside here with only this small heater here. I have a nice desk. This is a giveaway from my best friend, but no chairs for the moment. Basic workshop equipment. Fridge, almost empty. Some beers. The most important thing in a workshop. So still much to do, but I see a light on the end of the tunnel. So yeah, wish me luck with this room. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.